What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Thanks for tuning in. And if you're new, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And now today I just got in this little package. Hey, if you want a front license plate without drilling holes, bro, I got a solution, bro. I was trying to figure out what I could do. Something I could attach to my bumper, bro, without actually drilling the holes. I kept getting pulled over for that shit when I was driving in the middle of the night. It's gonna be easier for you to go back and forth with it instead of just like, let's say you drill holes, you go to a car show or something, then you have to drill it back out. Now I think this is gonna be way better. Let me show y'all. Try not to show you, my place a little messy, but this right here, dude, quick release front license plate, bro. I mess with it. Got the little hardware to come with it. I will show y'all in a second. First, I gotta get my car washed. That's what I really need to do, but this little piece right here attaches to under there. Well, this is, for charges. So if you got the RT Super Track Pack Edition, the Daytona Hellcat Scat Pack, all that good stuff. Under the black part in front of your like on the front bumper, there's gonna be a little black piece in the front, and at the bottom, it comes with little screws. And you just take those screws out, you put this in, and screw this in. Then you take this part, put your license plate on top of it. You put your license plate on top of this and screw it in and all that. Then you got this here. See how it connects in there? You pull this little pull pin and it disconnects. It's real easy. I mean, it's better that I show y'all. It'll make more sense. But let's go. First, I gotta get my car washed. My car is filthy. I'm probably just gonna rinse it off real quick because it's gonna rain tomorrow. But yeah, let's go. All right, y'all. Sheet is filthy, but it's about to rain tomorrow, so I ain't even gonna try to do all this shit. I'm just gonna rinse it down. Let's go. That's a nice little CTS thing over there. What is that? Oh, is that a SRT? No, I think that's an SRT. Let's see. Oh, that's track out. Okay. It's a nice little track out. Okay. That's my dream truck. Well, Lamborghini Urus is my dream truck, but whatever. Just gotta wash the. Well, I didn't wash it off. I rinsed it down, just to get the salt off. I wasn't trying to do extravagant job. I was just rinsing to get the salt off. But now we heading home. Now we go ready to put on that bracket. So I'll get back to y'all when I do it. I'm stuttering and shit. Let's go. Yeah. So I almost forgot when I was coming out. I did a little pull. That's the best way to drive your car. Do a little pull. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going down there. Right after I calm down, I'm passing this church, right? That was, back there. And my dumb ass, I know cops usually sit there once in a while. And what are you doing, bro? You're not even turning? Or you tweaking? But, gotta make sure. Okay, that ain't the cop. But, right after I finish, I look to my left, there's a cop sitting right there. I'm like, oh Lord, he probably gonna. No, it's me, my bad. Excuse me, I'm over here burping. I don't know why I'm burping. But I'm like, oh Lord, I don't need to get pulled over right now. But he ain't do nothing. He's probably just minding his own damn business. But yeah, that's what I was saying. Let's get home and get this license plate holder on. Ow, bro. I'm sick. So I just passed two cops. I don't know if they pulled somebody over. They just got finished pulling over somebody right when I got there, and they were leaving and stuff. I had to put the damn windows down, bro. I just rinsed it off. Look at, watch this. It's okay. I got some glass cleaner back in my place, so probably just wipe the windows down. Whatever. I didn't actually get a car wash. I just spent like $2 just to rinse it off. But yeah. All right, y'all. So I guess it says you have the Super Track Pack. You should have screws underneath here. I don't know if y'all can see that. This one right here, one right here. You just take out the middle ones. I think it's just a Phillips head screwdriver. That's all you need. Is that it? Oh no. Oh man, I don't even know. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So I had to experiment a little bit. I had to use this. What size is this? This is I had to use a T15, and this is for the RT with the Super Track Pack. I tried to use a regular Phillips screwdriver because it looked like it would have fit, but it didn't. So yeah, T15 for it. I just took the screws out, and now I'm gonna go ahead and get the license plate bracket put in, and then put the license plate on there. Now, it does come with a little baggie with the screws and stuff you need. And mine bracket actually came with a black pull pin, so that's pretty nice. So it ain't gonna be, oh, it's not even focusing. It ain't gonna be noticeable with that, you know, like the that silver. Even though I got all these other silver things on it, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, put it in the front bumper and see what it look like. And it does come with these screws, so let's go ahead and put it on. When it seems like for the screws, they don't have that T15 hole, so all you need, I think this is a 7mm. Yep. Then all you need is a 7mm just to install them if you have the Super Track Pack RT, I guess. I don't know how it works, but with the other trims, but it fits in the 7mm. So this is what it looks like with the front bracket in. I mean, it ain't noticeable too much. I mean, if you're standing my height, yeah, you can still see it, but I don't know. And I'm gonna keep dealing with it because these cops pulling me over at night. I mean, you know, I could always just take it back off if I want to. It'll help. Okay, for the last part, we're gonna be using these screws. I guess put them in this way. Then behind you'll have these. And you just tighten them up, and you should be good to go ahead and put it on. All right, y'all. When you tighten it, now that I got it all on, make sure you have a ratchet. This is gonna be a 10mm. And then on the other side, you can just screw it in to tighten it. You know, just a regular Phillips head screwdriver. That's all we need. And we got the little prongs or whatever. We're gonna go see how it looks like on the car. I know it's gonna look ugly, but you know, for those times when driving in the middle of the night. So, you know, 12, don't mess with me. Please don't mess with me. I'm gonna pop it on and just be able to pop it off. So let's go put it on the car. See what this thing look like. All right, y'all, it's the moment of truth. What is it gonna look like? I don't know if I can do this with one hand and record, but let's see. Hold on, y'all. Okay, how's it look, y'all? Looks ugly. I hate it. But those times I'm driving in the middle of the night, this is definitely gonna help and keep me from getting pulled over. Let me see. Got a little wiggle to it, but it's sturdy on there though. Definitely ain't coming out. It better not come out. But nah. See, then all I gotta do is pull this right here, the little pin. Pull it right back out. Alright, y'all. I actually mess with it. Not like mess with it, like I'm gonna keep it on there. It's only gonna be on there when I need it to be on there, but yeah, it feels like sturdy. Yeah. Alright, cool. I'm over here bending the license plate and everything, but you know, it's right in the middle. Oh, it looks so ugly on my car. But it's better than drilling holes. But alright, y'all, that was the end of this video. I actually messed with it though. I mean, you know, I'm not gonna be barely be riding around with that front plate on. I can't do it. But 12, you know, police, they've been messing with me whenever I drive in the middle of the night, and it's been happening a couple times this month. So just gotta suck it up. I can see it right, so I can still see it. But I feel like it might be one of those things that nobody's gonna really notice it, and unless you tell them that it's there, or they're actually looking at your car, sitting there looking at it, and you know. I mean, if you get asked about it, it might help somebody else out who wants to ride around with no front license plate, and they know if they go into a certain part of town, then, you know, it can help them out. So, and I'm actually going to leave a link in the description. I got it off of Amazon. Yeah, got it off of Amazon. It's called Stow and Show License Plate Bracket, and this is only for Chargers. This ain't just like every car thing. I know they got these brackets for different cars, where for me, the link that I'm going to be leaving in the link I'm going to be leaving in the description is going to be for Charger owners only. If you got, I guess, the Super Track Pack and everything. I don't really know what all trim levels have underneath that front thing or whatever on the bumper, but it's going to be for Chargers only. And I actually mess with it because I mean, it's more sleek. It's not noticeable really. I mean, yeah, you see the little two holes poking out at the bottom. I don't think nobody's going to really notice. And it's not gonna kill the look of the front of the Charger, which is the thing I'm big on. I don't like front plates, man. They just mess up the car for me. Ooh, look at it. Man, I need to get my hair redone. I need to get my hair retwisted and all that. But yeah, if y'all like the video, make sure you like, share. And if y'all new, make sure y'all subscribe. And once again, I'll leave the link in the description for this product. It's about $94. So, I mean, when you think about it, wouldn't you rather kind of spend $94 and have less of a chance of spending that $100 or $200 or whatever it is? In Illinois, I think it's like $120 or something like that. But it might save y'all money. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm definitely not going to ride around with it all the time. This is only going to be in the middle of the night. And for those people who don't mind having a front plate but just don't want to drill holes, you know, that's another solution for y'all. But until next time, I'm going to see y'all. Peace out.